Do you know how to do it? Don't blow it out, Leah.
So we're gonna do this together, okay? We're gonna take this one out. Okay. You wanna grab it? Okay.
Oh, be careful.
Grab it. Come here. We're gonna grab it carefully. We're gonna light this one. And we're gonna light this one. And then we're gonna put this back.
And we're going to put it up high where she can't reach it.
And then we're gonna look at it.
Say Happy Hanukkah, because we don't know the prayer.
Say Happy Hanukkah. Can you say Happy Hanukkah? Can you wave at mommy?
Okay, you want your Hanukkah present?
Yeah. And then we sing Great Old Great. Daddy's being funny. All right, we're gonna set this up here, okay?